Why tech companies are obsessed with sustainability. What if I told you that tech companies like Apple, Google, and Amazon are spending billions on solar farms, wind turbines, and carbon-neutral products? It's not just about looking good, it's about changing the world. Today, we're exploring why tech giants are so obsessed with sustainability. From renewable energy to eco-friendly gadgets, let's break down how they're leading the charge and what it means for you. First, let's talk about why sustainability is such a big deal for the tech industry. Did you know that data centers alone use about 1% of the world's electricity? That's because every Google search, Netflix binge, or online purchase has to be processed somewhere. Then there's e-waste. Over 50 million tons of it are generated every year. And much of it ends up in landfills, leaking harmful chemicals into the environment. It's clear why the tech industry has to step up. To tackle these challenges, tech companies are investing in some incredible sustainability initiatives. 1. Renewable energy. Google matches 100% of its energy use with renewable sources like wind and solar. Apple powers all its offices, stores, and data centers with renewable energy, and they're pushing their suppliers to do the same. 2. Sustainable products. Someone has truly said Apple now uses recycled aluminum in its devices and is working to make all its products from recycled or renewable materials. That means the next iPhone you buy could have a smaller carbon footprint than ever. 3. Carbon offsetting. Amazon has pledged to become net zero carbon by 2040, which is 10 years ahead of the Paris Agreement goals. They're even switching to electric delivery vehicles to cut emissions. So, why are these companies so invested in sustainability? There are a few key reasons. 1. Consumer demand. People today want to support brands that care about the planet. Being green isn't just good for the earth, it's good for business. 2. Cost savings. Renewable energy isn't just cleaner, it's cheaper in the long run. By investing in solar and wind, companies save money while securing a stable energy supply. 3. Regulatory pressures. Governments around the world are introducing stricter environmental laws. By adopting sustainable practices now, tech companies can stay ahead of the curve. 4. Leading by example. Tech companies pride themselves on being innovators. Leading the sustainability movement enhances its reputation and sets a standard for other industries. Of course, going green isn't easy. There are still big challenges. Supply chains are one of the hardest areas to green. While tech companies might use renewable energy at their campuses, it's a lot harder to enforce those standards across a global supply chain. E-waste is another massive issue. Even with recycling programs, a lot of electronics still end up in landfills. And then there's greenwashing, when companies exaggerate their sustainability efforts. It's something we need to watch out for. So, what does all of this mean for you? First, the next device you buy is more likely to be sustainably made. Second, every time you use a Google service or stream a video, you're relying on cleaner energy. And finally, by supporting companies that prioritize sustainability, you're helping push the entire industry forward. The tech industry's obsession with sustainability isn't just a trend, it's a movement that's reshaping the future. What do you think about these efforts? Are tech companies doing enough, or is there still room for improvement? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on how technology and the environment intersect. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.